jolly in the sea so blue. Put on the goggles and splash right through. Wiggle waggle feet and a happy grin. Guess who came to play? A dolphin friend named Finn. Swish, splash, swim around. Bubbles rising, not a sound. Dolphin spins and jumps up high, waving flippers to the sky. Kiddy laughs and jolly cheers, swimming fun with no more fears. Under the waves, they played a game, hide and seek, it's never the same. Jolly hides behind a rock, Kiddy counts with a tick-tock clock. Swish, splash, swim around. Bubbles rising, not a sound. Dolphin flips, a water slide. Come along, enjoy the ride. Kiddy dives and jolly twirls. Undersea fun for boys and girls. Starfish dance and turtles glide. A jellyfish floats right by their side. Finn the dolphin makes a heart-shaped splash and zooms ahead with a dashing dash. Swish, splash, one more spin. Time to say goodbye to Finn. Kiddy waves jolly too. See you soon in ocean blue. Friends forever, wild and free, swimming dreams under